Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Premier League on Android. So the first thing that we are going to do is to open our browser. Now, just open your browser right here, and then on the search bar, we're going to search for Watch Premier League, and then click on Enter. After doing that, you should be able to see this. What we're going to do is to look for Watch Live. So once you click on Watch Live right here, you will now be able to see the streaming platforms wherein you can watch Premier League. And in that case, that is Hulu Plus. So we're going to click on Watch right here. Once you do that, you will be redirected into this part. So what we're going to do is to click on Start Your Free Trial. So if you already have an account, you can just click on Login right there. But if you don't have an account yet, of course, we're going to click on Start Your Free Trial or Sign Up. And then in this part, we're going to put our email and then click on Continue and then just put your password. After that, click on Login. And then in this part, of course, we're going to put our zip code. And in that case, if you are from the United States, of course, you're just going to have to put your zip code right here. And then just scroll down right here. And then just put your name on card, your card number, your expiry date, your security code, and then zip code. And then after that, you can just click on agree and subscribe. And then once you do that, you can just log in again in Hulu with your account. And then once you do that, you will now be able to watch Premier League. So you just have to search for it on the search bar. And then you'll now be able to watch the upcoming, the live, and then the replays of Premier League inside Hulu. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.